Honing in on homophones, unraveling the uncommon ones. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of homophones, specifically focusing on the less common homophones. We'll learn how to use these in sentences, which will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you avoid any confusion. Are you ready to become a homophone hero? Let's jump right in. Before we start, let's quickly revisit what homophones are. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings. They may or may not be spelled the same way. Our focus today is on less common homophones, which are not frequently used in day-to-day conversation but are incredibly enriching to your vocabulary once mastered. Examples of less common homophones are cite and cite, compliment and compliment, proceed and proceed. Now, let's put these into context. 1. Cite versus cite. Cite means to quote as evidence for or as justification of an argument or statement. Example: she was able to cite several studies to support her point. Cite refers to an area where something is, was, or will be situated. Example: the construction crew started to work on the new building site. 2. Compliment versus compliment. Compliment means to add something in a way that improves it or makes it more attractive. Example: his tie really complements his suit. Compliment means a polite expression of praise or admiration. Example: she received a compliment on her eloquent speech. 3. Proceed versus proceed. Proceed means to come before something in time. Example: dinner will precede the main event. Proceed means to begin or continue a course of action. Example: after the interruption, they decided to proceed with the meeting. Now that we've learned these homophones, it's time to practice. Write your own sentences using these words, and make sure to read them aloud. Remember, the key to mastering homophones is to understand their contextual usage. Well, there you have it. I hope this exploration of less common homophones has been enlightening. Remember, using the right word in the right context is what makes language so beautiful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll become a homophone hero. Until next time, keep learning, and stay curious.